Charles, and if you've watched last week's episode, you've seen this car before. This is Lucille. You saw the power window switch changed out last week. Today we're going to do a little bit of paint work. I'd like to say we did it ourselves, but that would be a lie. This is what we call a 10 or 15 foot car. It looks pretty good from 10 or 15 feet, but when you start getting in close, you start to see the cracks and faded paint work, and just the paint wears out on these cars after 15 or 20 years. This is a quick walk around. You can kind of see, we'll highlight some of the problems with the paint and appearance. Here we've got the faded stripe. The front end's a little bit peeled back and missing. As we come down the side, it doesn't really pick up in the video, but there's a couple of small dents in the roof. The spoiler we did in fact paint ourselves, so it's a little bit less than show quality. Again, a little more fading here on the bumper. I'm not sure what that was the way it was when we bought it. Somebody either tried to do a repair or something, but that didn't turn out too good for them. And as with all old cars, you've got a little ding here with a little bit of surface rust starting. Over here on the door you can see just a couple of little nicks and chips. Again, nothing serious, but not the kind of car you want to take to your weekend cruise or even a car show and really show off. Again, the plastic bumpers don't look great. You can see, kind of focus in here, you can see where they faded and the paint's cracked. The headlights and trim already in preparation. For those of you who don't have $5 or $10 or even $15,000 for a paint job, a lot of people will probably ding us on this, but we did go to our local Maaco, under $3,000 for the paint job that we got. And I'll be the first to say it's not concourse quality. It does have some orange peel here and there, and it's not perfect, but it's not $10,000 or $15,000 either. So what we're trying to do right now with this car is just keep the rust from getting any worse, get the dents picked out, and have a car that we can take to the weekend cruise or the local car show where you're not fighting with Mustang Club of America gold judges or anything of that nature. Here you can see some of the work that Maaco did. They were kind enough to let us into their shop while they prepped her. I don't pretend to know enough about body work or painting to say if this is a good prep or not. They were willing to let us film it and see the results. Here's the shot of the back end. We did replace the taillights, including the third tail light. Moving on to the sides, you can see the Mach 1 striping has been replaced, and they did a fantastic job of getting that all lined up and straight for us. At the hood you can see the matte black accent stripe going up towards the shaker scoop. We did opt to have that painted on as opposed to the vinyl stickers that are standard on the Mach 1, and that was all included in the regular price that we paid. Overall, we're really happy with the way it turned out. It's a good quality paint job at a fair price, and we get a ton of compliments when we're out and about at the gas station and fast food restaurants. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and if you can, leave us a comment and let us know how we're doing. Thanks.